Yeah, in this video we have a live view in the app of the online bank account from Monese. The link to Monese, including a €20 sign-up bonus, you find directly under this video. In the first part of this video we have a look in the app and all its functionalities, and in the second part of the video we have a look in the promo program and what you have to do to get your €20 sign-up bonus. So let's now have a short look in the mobile app from Monese live. You see I'm here now in my Euro account. This is the app how it looks when you open it, and when I click here on the Euro symbol, you see it opens a dialog where I can, if I want, open other accounts. So for example, here at the moment I could open an account in British pound for free, an account in Romanian currency for free, a joint account, and so on and so on. So here it's possible to have real accounts in other currencies as well. And as you see here, my main account is Euro, and I have here my unique IBAN where I can receive payments and make payments. And yeah, so these are the accounts what are available. You see here the first sign is add money. When I click on it, you see different opportunities. I can top up the account with using another debit card from another bank. I can top up the account by bank transfer, or I can send to someone a request for money. Clicking on bank transfer, you see that when I want, for example, to receive money from Germany, then I see here again my bank details, my name and my IBAN, and so I can use this online bank account here as any other bank account in the world. And second symbol is spending. Here you see an overview over my spendings. I can change in the settings from a monthly to a weekly statistic, and I even can define here a budget. I did not do it, but you could do it if you want to avoid that you spend more money than you want. Going back in the middle, you see the sign what shows that you can earn avios when you use the account. Avios is something like miles what you can earn and then later use for example, redeem it in flights. British Airways works with avios. LATAM, also I think the whole One World Flight Alliance works with avios, and so you can even earn here avios miles by using the Monese account. In the second part of my screen you see my previous spendings, and here for every spending what you do, if you set it in your settings, you get a push-up notification, so you see every time when you use your debit card, or if someone else uses your debit card, you see that the amount is credited from your account. Yeah, moving forward in the navigation, I click here now on card. Here I see my Monese card, and what I can do here is I can view my PIN if I forgot it, and I can lock the card. So for example, if you lose the card, if the card is stolen, you can lock it here and nobody can use it again. In the third navigation point, pay, you see how you can send money, how you can request money, and how you can set up standing orders. The first point, pay nearby friends, means I click on it. Here you can send money to friends who are also Monese users, and you can send money here in seconds, because it is an internal transfer from Monese, and this goes very, very fast. Second point is if you want to send money international, you click on the second point, and here you can send money around the world in other currencies. And for normal payments, you click here on new payment on the big button. And here now you can register beneficiaries and then easily, like in all other banks accounts too, easily send money to other persons or to businesses. In the last point, recurring, you can send up standing orders. So if you have, for example, to pay regularly your rent for your apartment, then you can set it up here as a standing order, and this is then done automatically regularly for you. Okay, when I click on the last point, more in the navigation, then you see 4 additional points. The first is the direct contact to the support. The second is again the direct access to the budget, what we have seen already. Direct debit, here you can see if you gave any company the permission for a direct debit on your account, then you can see them here. and administrate it here. And then the last point, you can get bank statements from your Monese account. Going back to the home screen, you see in the left top corner your profile. When I click on here, you see again your unique IBAN and the direct access to some other points. Like the whole app, this is made very lean, so I can directly access the support. I can add here another account, for example in British pound. I can have a look in my plan, in promotions, in the settings, and I can log out the app. Having a short look in my plan, then you see I use till today the simple plan, and you see I have free ATM withdrawals, I have free spending in any foreign currency, and so on and so on. And what I especially like is this here. If it isn't listed here, it's free, so here are definitely no hidden fees. What you see is what you get. Let's have a short look now in the promo program and how to get your €20 sign-up bonus with Monese. All the information about the program you find in the blog of Monese. There's a lot of information, so we just put the important things together here. So here are all informations about the bonus program for new customers. You have to perform these steps to claim your bonus. Step number 1, you open the free account, you get your Monese MasterCard, and after the first time you used your card, you get a bonus of €5. Here they write once your transaction has settled. This usually takes up to 48 hours. So 48 hours after you paid the first time with your card, you get your first bonus of €5, and your second bonus of €15 you will get when you have spent with your card €500, either with your Monese card or with international transfers with your Monese bank account. To get these bonuses, you have to register for the bank account using an invitation link. The link with the invitation code, with the promo code, you find directly under the video. And with this code, you can claim your €20 bonus for your new Monese account.